Okay, so I think the reset looks to me like it's going to be catastrophic. It's not going to be an easy reset. It's not going to be a soft reboot. That's my humble professional opinion, and I wish I had a different opinion, but that's my opinion. So I think systems are going. You're going to see systemic failure, and systemic failure is going to suddenly wake people up. And that systemic failure is going to be ugly because until such time as we reboot, we're not going to have a restoration of confidence in the economy. We're not going to have a net inflow of foreign direct investment. We're not going to have all the things that need to happen for us to come out the other side. So that reset, I'm afraid, is going to be an ugly thing. I've worked with various corporations over time in a consulting capacity. I've tried to give them all the message that they must prepare for their reset. I would argue that 80% of them have ignored the message, and they just say it's another one of many crises they're going to deal with it when it hits them. So I don't think that the let's call it the major corporate sector. I don't think that they are particularly organized when it comes to this. Households are becoming more organized. They're going off grid. They've got their little JoJo tanks. They're doing, those that can afford it have already done it. Those that can't afford it, well, they're going to have to start thinking about how to do it in the near future. But I cannot see anything short of a fairly catastrophic failure that's going to wake people up to the fact that it's not a looming crisis. We are deep in the crisis. I hope that answers your question.